All right, so we're multiplying a bunch of a bunch of fractions times x equals 1. Again, this is a problem where these a, b, c's, and d's and e's are just numbers, and x is our variable that we're solving for in terms of the constants represented by a through e. When we multiply fractions, we could either multiply them and get a, b, c, d over b, c, d, e, or there's a rule that diagonals cancel, and the reason for that is if we have a b on the top in the final product, then we'll have a b on the bottom. B over b is equal to 1, or anything divided by itself is equal to 1. So I'm going to start canceling my diagonals. So if I have a b on the bottom, I can cancel the b on the top. Same with my c's, and same with my d's. So my d's, c's, and b's all cancel, and I'm left with a over e. Actually, let's move things so we can see that a little better. There we go. All right, my little cancellation marks disappeared there. But we're left with a over e times x is equal to 1. So I'm just going to clean things up. Times x is equal to 1. And again, it says x must be, so then we're solving for x. The opposite of multiplying by a over e is dividing by a over e, or if we have a fraction, we can get rid of it by multiplying by the reciprocal, or just e over a. And whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So e over a. All right. Again, a over e, if we divided by a over e, remember when we multiply fractions, there's the skip, flip, multiply. So this is just the flip and the multiply. So, and the reason for that is, again, our diagonals cancel. And we're left with x equal to e over a.